Hey, welcome to JP's Garage Show. Today we got something for the Batman fans out there. These sweet little Batarangs made out of wood. Alright, I've got some t-shirts on Amazon, so if you want to support the channel, go ahead and pick one of these up and rock it around town. And as always guys, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm actually in the market for fresh ideas on anything that I could make, so if you have any sweet ideas, leave them in the comments and let's get into this thing. Alright, so grab a chunk of wood and trace out the bat logo on it. Now take it to the bandsaw and cut it out as best you can. Now while I'm doing this, I'd like to hear who's your favorite Batman down in the comments, because it better not be Batfleck, but let's see. Now some of these parts up top are a little bit harder to get to because the bandsaw blade doesn't quite bend the full direction that you need it to. So when it gets to this point, basically just gonna cut a bunch of slots like I'm doing here. And then that'll make them a little bit easier to break off just with your fingers, or with a screwdriver or something like that. You can just kind of break those chunks. Alright, now we're going to kind of sand down what's in there and make them nice and smooth. And then I'm cutting this sucker in half so that we can have two of them, because the thickness on there was way too big. Now we got two of them. Sweet. Alright, we're going to take it over to the sander and get those edges nice and sharp, just like the real thing. Just like what Batman was using in those movies. Then we're going to sand them down nice and smooth and then paint them up. Ideally black, but I know on some of the 90s movies the edges had a silver, so you can kind of tape around the black parts and get the silver going on there. And once you're done with all that, you'll have some nice matte black Batarangs, perfect for cosplay purposes. Won't really do too much damage if anyone breaks in. Alright guys, go ahead and comment down below your favorite Batman. I expect to see a lot of Michael Keatons, maybe some Christian Bales, but let's see what happens here. And quick shout out to Drew Morris for the tune. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again guys, I'll see you next time.